Hi, my name is Alexis Koo, and I'm the captain for Eldorado High School World. Our title of our show this year is It Starts as a Whisper.
Hi, my name is Autumn Simcoe, and I'm a co-captain at Eldorado. The show is about how one person can cause a big impact and a big change for everyone. Today, we decided to plant flowers just for our school, Eldorado, just to make it like a brighter place. So we dug up all the weeds and planted 10 flowers on each side, and I feel like it makes Eldorado brighter.
Hi, my name is Kellen Lawrence, and I'm a co-captain at Eldorado. Personally, I really like flowers, and whenever I see them, they always brighten my day, just seeing them, and I think it'll just help make people's day better at Eldorado and just make them hold their head up higher.
I walk by this place when I go to second period, so whenever I walk by it, I'm like, oh, we planted those flowers. So whatever impact that you do, even if it's small, like the flowers that we did at our campus, it makes a big impact to our society, and it makes a huge change, even if it's really small.